Sawadee Krop, my Thai culture vultures and toys. I'm ending this trip back in Bangkok and checking out a new hotel for me, the Admiral Premier Bangkok, near Asok BTS and Sukhumvit Metro. Worthy of its 4-star rating, or is this the equivalent of the unwanted Adam's apple on your Thai girlfriend? Something that you should simply walk away from, or limp if you only found out the morning after the night before. The rooftop pool is probably the best asset of the hotel. Reasonable size to chuck a few bombs, maybe a flex horsey or the old school cannonball. See if you can get a comp going with the other guests, or just come up here to relax and cool down. One thing you do get at the Admiral Premier is large rooms. Here's a one better, with basic kitchen and lounge area. There's a small balcony too, most of which is taken up by a washing machine. Brekkie is pretty basic. Eggs made to order, a few hot dishes, bread, pastries, cereals, salad. I'd say sufficient but basic. 4 stars? Meh, not sure about that. Might be a bit disappointed if you're expecting a quality spread. A bit like finding out the Thai girlfriend has bigger hands than you, if you know what I mean. If you do know what I mean, please let me know. I have no idea what I'm going on about half the time. The place is reasonably priced, is close to Asok BTS and Terminal 21. In fact, they'll shuttle you down there if you ask nicely. Probably worth a stay if you're looking for a value for money place. Is it a genuine, bona fide, ridgy-didge 4-star joint? I'm not so sure. Updating the decor and furnishings would make a huge difference. I'm not talking about putting lipstick on a pig, I'm talking a genuine overhaul. The full Adam's apple shave and banana split with reverse internal stuffing. That would really turn this place around. On that note, thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!